Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a simple ball bearing. First, we will make all the parts like outer ring, inner ring and ball. And then we will assemble all the parts. So let's start with the outer ring. Draw one center line here. Okay, that's it. Now select the center rectangle. Draw one rectangle here. Okay. Now select the smart dimension. Length will keep 31 mm. Here to here 65 mm. Here to here will keep 53 mm. Okay. Press the control, make vertical. Okay. Now select the center line. Draw one center line here. Okay. Exit. Now select the center point arc. Now go to smart dimension. Here to here make 8 mm. The radius will keep and the radius will keep 12 mm. Okay. Now select the trim entity. Trim this line. Okay. Now press the control, select this line, make equal. Okay. Now go to feature, select revolve base bus, select this line. Okay. Now select the fillet, 2 mm, select this body. Okay. Now you can see our ball bearing outer ring is ready. So just define the material. Go to appearance. Select the steel and select carbon steel. Okay. Now save it. Our outer part is ready. Now we will make inner part. Then select the center rectangle. Draw the rectangle here. Okay. Dimension will keep the length 31 mm. Okay. Here to here we will make 25 mm. Here to here 37 mm. Okay. Okay. Press control, select this center and this point, make vertical. Okay. Select the center line here, make one center line. Okay. Exit. Exit. Then select the center point arc. Draw the arc here. Okay. Exit. Then go to smart dimension. Here to here 8 mm. And radius keep 12 mm. Okay, then select trim entity, trim this line. Okay, press the control, select this line, make equal. Okay, now go to feature, revolve boss base, select this center line. Okay, now you see our inner ring is ready. Just we have to cut the chamfer here. So we will do fillet, select this point, 2 mm, this side also 2 mm. Okay, now go to appearance, select the steel and select here carbon steel. Okay, now save this one. Now we will make ball. Select new part. Okay, choose front plane, sketch, choose the circle. Okay, smart dimension 24 mm. Okay, then go to the sketch, select the line, select the mid plane, make the line here. Okay, then go to trim entity, cut this line. Okay, it's 24 mm. Okay, yes. Okay, then exit the sketch, go to feature, revolve boss base, select this line. Okay, now you can see our bearing ball is ready. Now go to appearance, carbon steel. Okay, plain white. Now save this one also. So our all part are ready. So let's assemble. Press Ctrl N, select assembly. Okay, now we have to select the part here. Press Ctrl, select inner ring, outer ring, ball. Okay, 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 yes. Plain white. Okay, now select the outer body, mate, this inner body. Okay, now select here advanced mate, width, select this face, this face, this face, and this face. Okay, okay, now here select inner front and ball front, mat. Okay, now drag the ball here. Okay, now select the ball, mat, inner part, direction. Okay, okay, now click here, make it fix. This one will make float. Okay, now select the ball, go to linear, here select circular pattern, and here select temporary access. Okay, here we select the bearing. Here select this line, number of ball will keep 10. Okay, now you can see our bearing is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.